Learn why TikTok and short form video is quickly becoming one of the most popular and best ways to build your business in the online space. Well, my name is Karin from KarinAngeli.com. I teach and train network marketers how to build their business in the online space. And today I want to talk all about TikTok and short form videos like YouTube Shorts, Reels, how they can be used to build your business. So listen, I'm here every single week giving you tips, tricks, and training on how to build your business. So go ahead and tap that subscribe button because I would love to help you in any way possible. So let's jump right in because this is quickly becoming one of my favorite topics because what I'm seeing happening in the short form video marketplace and what it can do for not only my business, but more importantly, for your business. So it's no secret that people are getting shorter and shorter attention spans. And one of the biggest reasons that I would say this is the case is because we have literally jam-packed our day with as many things as we possibly can. And because of that, things like short form video have really taken off because that attention span is just getting shorter and shorter and shorter. This is one of the biggest reasons that I would say that things like TikTok and short form video like YouTube Shorts and Reels are just getting so much more attention. The thing with short form video is that people have discovered that not only can they learn things in a short form video, they can also be entertained, they can grow with personal motivation. There's all sorts of things that short form video can actually do for a consumer. And as a result, more and more people are flocking to platforms that actually have short form video. And that honestly is a result of TikTok becoming so famous within the younger generations. The Gen Z generation has literally pioneered this kind of video. It has become so popular, and more people like millennials, Gen Xers, everybody's taking a look and seeing what these Gen Zs are so excited about. And as we take a look, if we're business owners that are kind of smart and see where the trends are going, we can actually see that places like TikTok or even YouTube Shorts is a really great place to get our information quickly in front of people, to actually get people to stop and take a look at our products, our service, our business, and actually maybe be a little bit more interested in what we have to offer. And that's what's beautiful about that, is that it can be done in a short 15-second segment. What I love about these kind of short form videos is that I don't have to spend a long time teaching somebody how to do something. I can literally just give them meat and potatoes of how to do something quickly. And that's the beauty of short form video. It doesn't take hours and hours of editing, creating. It just literally is all about that quick bite-sized piece of information that could potentially get somebody more interested in your product or service or your business. So with all this being said, does that actually mean that things like long form video that you see on YouTube or IGTV or Facebook Lives, does that mean that that is going away and that it's gone forever? I actually think that the beauty of short form video is that you can actually point people to your long form content. With a short form video, somebody can actually decide, do they want to tune in for more? Do they like you? Do they want to connect with you? Do they feel like your content inspires them, educates them, entertains them in that short 15-second kind of video? If they find that in 15 seconds they're hooked with you, they're most likely going to check out your YouTube channel, your Facebook, wherever it is that you create long form content. People are most likely going to want to get a little bit more from you as the creator. And for me, this is how I use short form video in my marketing. I absolutely love getting that snackable piece of information in front of somebody that gets them intrigued in what I have to offer. And from there, I can help build a relationship with my long form video. So I take my short form video and I funnel people to my longer form videos where they can actually learn more from me, connect more with me, and actually want to buy my products and my services. And in my opinion, that's how you should be looking at your short form videos as well. It's one of the best ways to build not only in the short term, but also in the long term. With things like TikTok, TikTok is such a quick, consumable kind of thing, and it's a short-term kind of platform. But if you really focus on getting people to long-term platforms like YouTube, you're actually going to take that short form, turn it into long form, and then actually draw more and more people into your audience and actually grow a phenomenal audience of people that truly know, like, and trust you, your products, your service, your business, and whatever it is that you have to offer in your business. And what I love most about this is that you start to attract leads and sales completely on autopilot, where people are getting to know, like, and trust you and want to actually connect with you a little bit more by buying your products, by connecting with you, by talking with you about your products and your services. So you're actually creating such a wonderful place for people to actually get to know you more. So listen, if any of this was exciting to you, or it made you kind of want to look a little bit deeper into the concept of building your business with video and how you can actually start to attract people in droves to your business, I actually left a link for you in the description where you can actually learn how to attract leads and sales on autopilot into your business. So go ahead and check out that link in the description because I want to see you grow your business like crazy without all the struggle that can sometimes happen in building your business. I can't wait to hear how it helps you. Now go build your unicorn empire.